Friends, if you have seen that, there are a lot of very beautiful fasteners with some amazing colors and so aesthetic, we can see, be it red, be it blue and green. And how this is achieved is what we are trying to find out. We are at EFFCO stall at Metal Forming and India Fastener Show 2023. So we are having with us Sri Kalyan Dhakane, who is the founder of EFFCO. Sir, how are you?
Very good, sir.
We have seen some fasteners with different colors.
Yeah.
Why we need fasteners with different colors, first of all?
So this is a green technology which replaces electroplating and pollution industries, and this gives a very high corrosion life over more than 30 years and 40 years. And some industry require color for identification and beautification and some additional properties also. So we have many variety of roll number colors, and we serve to industry and for energy segment, for solar segment, renewable windmill and automotive and infrastructure. And recently we have started Expo to Russian continent and Latin America, and we are negotiating deal with Middle East and the Middle West and European market people also.
See,
and the opportunities are huge.
Yeah, definitely. For India, there is a lot of great opportunities, and we always try to see that, how we can find products which is made in India, making us proud. And I think EFFCO and Kalyan Sab is someone who is doing it, more great.
Yeah. So this is companies owned by Indian family, and these all innovations made in Pune, made in India, all the recipe formulations and so on. And most of the raw material, or 99% raw materials, are Indian. So truly Indian product with Indian company, Indian owner, and we are going globally. And we are doing very good with Make in India initiatives, and we are getting very good support from MSME department, Government of India for our initiative. I got a couple of awards, and I got some financial support from under-served schemes from Modi government, and therefore I am able to sustain by myself, and really proud to enjoy some schemes of MSME department, and those are really helpful for emerging companies or startup companies. I'm really utilizing those and enjoying those.
Sir, I was seeing some couple of fasteners here. This fastener is this, blue color, and this fastener is of green color. So you told that certain things is for the identification purpose.
Yes, some people love to have a same matching color of their roofing sheets and roofing building. So they need a particular color, blue, yellow, green, or red, or sometimes black. And some people ask us that UV resistance, chemical resistant, environment protection, and cyclic corrosion resistant, or C5C, X category corrosion resistant in extreme environment like Kutch area in Gujarat or seashore area. So those areas, this blue color is a kind of magic color. It protects zinc, and zinc protects metal. That way it gets 30 and 40 years of life.
And second thing, when you are talking about green, is it have something with the environment thing, or it is just a color?
It's just a color, but apart from color, this is a environment friendly application. No discharge, no pollution or recyclability is there, and we don't pollute air, water and land. Therefore, we see a green coating technology.
So now these fasteners are coated in this kind of machines.
Yeah, such a machines are used to coat those fastener in a bulky hardware, we say, and we make such a machine 5 kilogram capacity to 500 kilogram capacity. We make this kind of complete plant from degreasing, short blasting, coating, oven, and complete turnkey project. We are getting good response from American client and British client and Indian client also. The Tata, Ashok Leyland and Mahindra, they are really want to use an Indian product versus from multinational companies, and Sundaram Fasteners is supporting us a lot to grow, develop, and have more sustainability and go global together along with. So we are doing a lot of projects together, metal protection industry and corrosion protection industry with multiple players and many companies. A lot of undercooking. After a couple of years, the fruit will come out.
Sir, one thing is that you need to make the machine, so which we are making in India right now.
Yeah.
And second thing, there is also the sealants, the chemicals are required. So you manufacture that also?
My company has a two division. One is machinery division, where we do subcontracting. 5 companies are working to make machines for us. We have large number of volumes and orders. Our order book is full for next 7 months. We have difficulties to accept new orders. and we are negotiating a couple of export projects. The ticket size is equal to our annual turnover, the large ticket size. And to support those activity, we have a chemistry manufacturing division, the paint we say. So those paints are used in this machine to coat the hardware. So that way we have a complete technology and complete solution.
So you're talking about the paint. So this also is a paint, or is it, what is this?
This is a kind of paint, but specialized paint with nanotechnology inside, macro technology inside, scissor technology inside, metal protection technology, corrosion protection technology, and hydrophobic performance inside. So a couple of technologies we can incorporate in just a 10 micron. Human hair is a 14 micron. So you can imagine the thickness of the coating layer.
A lot of R&D is happening in this.
Yes, we're spending almost 20% of our income annually to develop R&D, and fortunately, because of our Indian intellectuals and the support and Indian raw material, we are able to achieve a greater than what Germans and Japanese or Americans are doing in this field. And we are startup, and at this moment, it's a global competition. But whatever competitor or other people are trying, we are like 24 karat gold, our products, and it's still shining wherever we go. It's still shining, and it's a good for the India, and because we are doing good, we are employing more people, we are associating with more companies, and it's a kind of cluster, and we are doing great and hope to get a good revenue in foreign currency for India in next future.
And it's a very proud moment for us, and listening to you itself is so inspiring. I have a last question to you.
Yes, please.
You told that you are selling it in Europe, you are selling it in America. So we need to have these kind of certifications there to sell, right?
For Latin America and for Russia, we have all required certification. For India, we have all required certification. But for Europe, the certification require REACH and ROHS to be registered under European Union. The annual fees is very high. We are struggling for that. And until 1,000 kilogram per annum is allowed to export without certification, we are taking that advantage, and we are giving the samples to validate to different companies and customer. We are in that phase now. Maybe next year or end of this year, we will have that certification, investment, and we have orders from German client exclusively, like all India consumption for this technology in 1 year is single order from the European client. So those kind of big established markets are there. They started 50 and 40 years back. We started 10 years back. So they are well established, and they have automation, they have monster plant and monster requirement, and their orders are huge. And they love to have a made in India because of global impact and global image of Indian government and Modi government's up. So they love to work with Indian. But 20 years back, they says India is not up to the mark at this moment. But now they says Indian people are intellectual, brilliant, and they have better ways to do. They are accepting our product. And they say the Indian products are more economical than the European product, and performance-wise also excellent. So they are just accepting and welcoming us over there in foreign countries.
For EFFCO, there is a lot more to go, a long way to go, and I think Kalyan sir is just started. As he told that, he's just a startup, but competing with the world's global players and acing there. And it is our privilege, it is our proud moment that we are able to talk to him. People who inspire people like me to tell more stories and bring these kind of gems to the forefront. Yeah.
The last point, this is my first generation in business. My son and daughter is in also business. So 2 generations working together, and we have a long way to go, and we are making some strategies. 3 generations our business should go very well, and we are working very hard to make it happen, make it proud for everybody, make it proud for India, and make it proud for all the community over there. So much.
And it is going to happen. That's what I'm telling you. आप हमारे को एक दिशा दिखा रहे हो. You are showing not just me, for thousands of people, lot of engineers who should believe in us. Rather than taking an MS and going outside, be here. Follow people like Kalyan Saab. Take more proud in India and make India proud in the global stage. Thank you very much for your time.
Appreciate
and I
it.
wish you
Thank
all a lot of best for EFFCO to reach greater heights.
Thank you so much, sir.